Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to do a different video today. I have a 23 XMR Commander. We're going to replace the sway bar brackets right here. These I've already broke one, and they're notorious to break. They get a weak point right here. Anyways, I ordered a set of brackets. They're one piece all aluminum, much thicker right here where the weak points are. I ordered them from Cubic Dollar Off-Road. They're in Muscatavit, I think. They're in Nova Scotia, so I'm supporting local, which is good. I grabbed a set of new bushings too to replace while I do this. And it's as simple as 18-inch wrench, or 18 mil wrench, and a 19 mil socket. So let's get on the go and get this changed. It won't take long. Nope, it's not a hard job to do. Just got to get the nut in the back. And just remove that. It's as simple as that is. Pull the old bushing out. It can be a little tight getting a new bushing in, but it's not too bad. Don't forget, you're going to need the bracket in behind. Put the nuts to her. That wasn't meant to be funny, that is true. We have to put the nuts to her. And I dropped one down here. Need a magnet. Alright, that's one side, just needs to be tightened up. We'll get the other side together before we tighten that up. Alright, I didn't drop the nut this time. No bushing. Yeah, see with the how the grease fitting just goes through the center of it, that makes it very weak. We will save those for spares for sure though, because you never know. There's that. One, don't forget your bracket. Looking for my other nut. There it is. And it's as simple as that. Tighten it all up. Don't get your wrench stuck. And that's it. Just got to grease it. It's nice and tight now. But that's it. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you'd like more videos like this when I do little projects. And please like and subscribe for future videos. Don't forget to check out my adventure videos. Take care. Thank you.